Hey everybody, welcome back to our vlog for today's video. Meron na naman tayong i-review na virtual assistant agency, and this specific virtual assistant agency came from you guys. Nag-request kayo. So I am here to make it happen. Of course, ano pa ka bang trabaho ko dito? By the way, I'm Jam. I'm the founder of Buhay Virtual Assistant and Barangay Virtual Assistant or Barangay VA Community, and I help aspiring virtual assistants land their first client online. And sa ngayon, no, because I've already done like I think four, no, na-review. Ito yung pang-5, no. So una si Get Magic, pangalawa si GoTo, pangatlo si Outsourcing Agent, at pang-apat si Wing. Kung hindi pa napapanood, please check the other videos after this one. Ito yung pang-5, which is virtually incredible. All right? So, looking at this, no, nakalagay dyan, property management outsourcing services. Rent your houses, not your time. So, unang tingin pa lang, alam ko ng real estate ang niche na talaga namang, alam mo yon, ino-offer nila. So, property management ang siguro ang specific niche. Correct me if I'm wrong, mga real estate peeps here, but property management, no, ang kanilang ino-offer, which is real estate. So ayan siya. So this page is solely for like clients, no? Like what do they get if they get VAs from virtually inCredible? And here are their service so far. So phone tenders, call center. So it's both VA agency and a call center, no? Virtual assistant, ayan, video SEO services, outsourcing assessment, and mystery shopping property management companies. So it's more of about us, no? Let's talk about them. Tingnan natin. Meet the leadership team. Tingnan nga natin mga mi kung sino ang mga leaders ng kumpanyang ito, no? Ano nga ba, no? Ano nga ba? Ito, si Todd. The founder and CEO is Todd Breen, all right. And then general manager is Eve, and then outsourcing consultant and business development manager is Logan Breen. Director of marketing is Megan Breen. Pagkakamag-anak, ops manager, Jovi. Wow, Filipina, I can see. Ops manager, phone tenders, Eileen. Another ops manager is Marlin. And many more. HR admin manager, Noreen. HR recruiter ay YMS. Oh, 'di ba? There you go. This is the team that you're gonna work with. Ayan. So let's check like, oh, they have charities that they support, mga mi. And you know what? I'm living for this because they're not just earning but they're giving back at the same time. So ito ata yung mga gini-give back nila, 40 Ocean, Manila Art Therapy, Merit Cell Children's World Foundation Inc. That's also in the Philippines. Luciano S. Regalon Jr. Scholarship in Miriam. Ayan, they also give this. That's very, very nice because it's for a cause. So, giving mga me, no, let's see. May hindi pa ako nakita dito, no. Let's check the virtual assistant services nila. I'm very curious about this. So, get your time back by hiring a fully trained property management virtual assistant. So, property management nga, tama nga ako, Mi. Property management nga siya, Mi. Never miss a call again, get better reviews, and improve owner retention because of improved communication, delegate tasks, and have confidence they're done correctly. So, there you go. Hiring a skilled VA, so I don't need to see that. Oh, there. Check out our live list of VAs ready to join our team. So, ito mga VA, tas mga voice sample. Tas ito may mga hourly rate, pero hindi ko alam kung VA hourly rate siya. I am not sure. Ito yung mga experience, ito yung hourly rate. Feeling ko hindi to VA hourly rate. Feeling ko ito yung hourly rate na babayaran ng kliyente. Let's hear nga one. Si Rina. Pakinggan natin si Rina. Okay. Let's hear this. Ay, feeling ko hindi nga marinig pero
Home Property Management, this is Rena speaking. How may I?
Anyways, ang galing kung naririnig ko siya, pero hindi ko na siya itutuloy kasi feeling ko hindi ko siya naririnig. But yeah, meron silang sample voice, recordings. So, why go VI or virtually incredible? So, try before you hire. Oh, may trial period sila. No four-figure startup fee, free training. Oh, may free training sila. Recruited only staff leasing. Ayan, no replacements, expensive training. Ayan. Um, incredible staffing path, start month to month, supported by coaching, training, and free replacements, and no like and trust your new hire and ready to save. Ayan, okay. So ito yung tier nila. Ayan. Three tier. May 8.25 per hour, 10.25 per hour, and then recruitment only, manage your own VA. Ayan, 4 to 6 per hour. Okay, so ito yung mga rates nila and their packages. So, for sure, hindi ito yung buong makukuha ng mga VAs natin. So, ito yung hourly rate na babayaran ng ng kanilang mga kliyente. Akin, te. So, let's see. Ano bang meron dito sa Career Hub? Let's see muna the staff events. I wanna see the staff events, mga me. Ayan. May mga annual staff retreat sila, leaders training, Christmas party, Golden Globes. I think that's awards, no? Um, Oh my gosh, parang ang saya naman ng kanilang community. It's giving, okay? So, ang maganda dito is hindi lang siya puro work but community-based as well. All right, but if you click why work with us and Career Hub, it will lead you to their Facebook page. Ayan. So, Virtually Incredible is a property managed solutions company based in Florida. Oh, it's based in Florida. All right. So dito, I think ayan no, mga posting sila. I don't know how to apply. Ito pala. We're hiring customer support. Hindi lang pala property management, pati CSR. Ayun no. Permanent work from home remote. Submit your CV to ito. So you have to submit your CV to their email. Okay. Wala silang like form. Okay, ito yung qualifications for CSR, no? Fluent in spoken and written English, good American accent, quiet home office work environment, willing to work on given shift, and you are in US different time zones, fast and reliable internet connection, with internet backup available, dependable electricity with power backup, no? At least 8 Gen i3 processors, 8 gig RAM, and Windows or Mac SSD disk. Oh, ito. Um, ito yung mga tasks nila. Comply with client-specific SOPs in handling customer transaction, proactively keep him or herself updated with the change in standard operation procedures and guidelines, complies with virtually incredible set of guidelines in the fulfillment of daily tasks, effectively represent virtually incredible score values to anyone within or outside the company, provide data and information to the leadership team as required, perform additional other services that may be required for time to time, which may or may not be related to the primary obligation stated above. Ayan. So, there you go. You just have to submit your, what do you call this? Your CV or resume sa kanilang email. Ganyan siya. So, we found CSR, uh, join our team. Open to fresh graduates. Oh, pwede siya sa fresh graduates, oh. As junior HR admin specialist. So, walang rates, guys, ha? Walang nakalagay na hourly rate. So, I don't know. Maybe during the interview, sinasabi orientation. Yeah. Pretty much. You apply by sending your resume sa kanilang email address. Ayan. All right. Wala ba ditong like their benefits and all? Parang wala eh. I don't see anything here na benefits wala. So, I don't see anything. Hopefully, and I saw the benefits kanina, pero like further, hourly rates, wala. Walang nakalagay. Wala din nakalagay if they provide equipment and stuff. So, yan. Yan ang virtually incredible na VA agency, real estate, work from home, no? Rent, property management, no? Na specific niche CSR. If you guys are into this, then go for it, no? Just go to their website or might as well go directly straight to their Facebook page and start applying. So hope this helps. Maraming salamat sa nag-recommend neto. See you guys again on the next video. Happy weekend, guys.